Now, let me show you how we can stop WhatsApp messages on your iPad. So there are more ways how you can stop them, really. At first, if you go to the WhatsApp on your iPad like this, you might find any person which you are chatting with or even a group chat. And you can, of course, hold down on it and click on mute, right? So every single chat has the mute button like this. And it just means that you mute it always for 1 week or 8 hours, and so these are the options. And now it's indicated with this like bell icon. It just means that in this group chat or in this chat, generally speaking, you might be receiving messages, but you're not going to get any notifications about it. And that's how you can stop it specifically for one person, group chat, or a conversation. If you, however, want to stop getting messages from WhatsApp in a general, then it would make sense to instead go to the settings app of your iPad, click on the notifications on the left panel. From the list of apps, go to WhatsApp, which should be relatively easy to find. And you can decide how exactly you want to have it, but you can essentially just stop notifications entirely. And now, no matter what is happening on WhatsApp, you will basically not be notified about anything. You'll have to manually open up the app and check what's new, and then that's how you can stop the messages from being like delivered as notifications on your iPad. So let me know if that's the thing you are looking for. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll see you later.